Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine at your places and doing your studies also. So, today we will start our next chapter, that is shapes and angles. Now, you all know that all the shapes are made up of what? All these shapes are made up of line and line segments. So, we will study about line and line segment first. Now here you can see what is a line. A line has no end points. A line does not have a definite length also. If I'll say this is a line, is it or not? No, it is not a line because it has a specific length. Now, if I'll draw two arrows on the both the side, this is a line because what the arrows are showing that the line can move in both the direction, in this direction also and in this direction also. So this is a line. A line does not have a specific length. It can move in both the directions. Now we will talk about line segment. What is a line segment? A line segment has a specific length. If I'll say use your scale and draw a line of 5 centimeters, then you will draw it like this and you will say it is 5 centimeter. So what is this? This is a line segment. So a line segment has a specific length and it has two end points. These two points are fixed. They will not move. They can't be increased. Okay, so it's a line segment. Now let's see ray. So ray has only one end point. A ray does not have a definite length. Okay, now just see here. If I'll say this is sun and these are what? Yes, these are rays of the sun. So from here you can see the sun is fixed. Yes or no? The sun is fixed in the sky. And what are these? These rays are coming down on the earth's surface and they do not have any specific length. Some rays are very long, some are very short, so they don't have any specific length. Only one end point is there, that is sun. So what is a ray? A ray has only one end point and from one side it can move continuously. Okay, now let's move ahead. Now what happens? Now when we will see that when two rays meet together, what they form an angle. Yes, so what is an angle? Two rays that share the same same end point form an angle. Means when two rays meet at a specific point, they form an angle, and the point where the rays intersect is called the vertex of the angle. Where two rays meet, that point is called vertex of the angle. Now from here you can see, if I'll say this is ray 1 and this is ray 2. Two rays are there, they are meeting at a fixed point, that is this point. This point is called what? This point is called vertex, and the surface area covered by them is what? This is angle, and these two rays are called arms. So these are called arms of angle. This is angle, and this fixed point where the two rays are meeting is called the vertex of the angle. Is it clear? Okay, now let's move ahead. Now we have studied about angles, so we will see types of angles here. Now from here you can see different types of angles are there. Are specifically 6 types of angle. So let's see them one by one. So this is acute angle, acute angle, cute, not cute, acute angle. Okay, now acute angle is less than 90 degree. Any angle whose measure is less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. Repeat it. An angle whose measure is less than 90 degree is called a angle. Now you must be thinking, what is degree? Ma'am is saying whose measure is less than 90 degree. So what is degree? Degree is a unit in which angles are measured. Degree. DEGREE, or degree is shown as a small point. If I'll say 90 degrees, then 90 and a small 0 here. Okay. Now after this we'll study right angle. So what is a right angle? A right angle is an angle whose measure is exactly 90 degree. Means angle of 90 degree is called a right angle. Now obtuse angle, a angle whose measure is greater than 90 degree and smaller than 180 degree, that is called an obtuse angle. Straight angle, straight means straight line. So angle whose measure is 180 degree, that angle is called straight angle. After this, reflex angle, angle whose measure is greater than 180 degree. Greater than 180 degree is reflex angle, smaller than 180 degree, and between 90 is obtuse angle. Good. Now a complete angle is full angle, and that is of 360 degree. Yes, it is of 360 degree.
So let us revise types of angles once again. So here you can see this is 55 degree angle, 55. So it is less than 90. So we have studied angle whose measure is less than 90 degree are called acute angle. So this is a acute angle. Now here you can see more examples of acute angle. This first angle is of 62 degree, which is less than 90 degree. So it's a acute angle. This one is 48 degree. This is 71. This one is 54. This one is 12 degree, and this one is 67 degree. So as you can see, all of them are less than 90 degree. So all these are acute angle. What are these? These are acute angle as they are less than 90 degree. Now here you can see this angle is exactly 90 degree. So this angle is called right angle. So this angle is a right angle as its measure is exactly 90 degree. Now let's see some more 90 degree angles. So in this figure you can see this angle is 90 degree, this angle is also 90 degree, this one is also 90 degree. So all these are right angles. Now if I'll draw an angle like this, I'll say this is also 90 degree. So this is 90 degree angle. For 90 degree we use a square. Like this, in simple angles we use a semicircle like arc like this, but in case of 90 degree we use a square box. So these all angles are right angle. Now this is a obtuse angle as the angle is of 120 degree and 120 is greater than 90 degree. So any angle whose measure is more than 90 degree is called an obtuse angle. So let's see more examples of obtuse angle. Now from here you can see it is 116, it is 112, 105, 94, 189. So all these are obtuse angle. What they are? They are obtuse angle as their measure is more than 90 degree. Angle is more than 90 degrees, so they are called obtuse angle. Now this angle, it's a straight angle. Can you see this straight line? Can you see this straight line? So this angle is a straight angle as its measure is 180 degrees. So this angle is a straight angle. So you can say any angle whose measure is 180 degree is called a straight angle. Now let's see more examples. Now here you can see all the lines are straight lines. Here this is a straight line and the angle made by the straight line is 180 degree. And this one also, it's a straight line. This side is also straight. This side is also straight. So all these angles are the examples of straight angle as they are of 180 degree each. Now here you can see this is a 210 degree angle. This is 210 degree angle which is greater than 180. Yes or no? 210 is greater than 180. So this type of angles are called reflex angle. Reflex angle. So these are reflex angles as their as their measure is greater than 180. Let's see more example. So here you can see angle of 244 is there, 240 is there, 268, 260 and 182. So all these angles are reflex angle. Now this is a complete angle, yes, because it has taken a whole, it has covered whole path from here to here, then again it has came to the end point. So it is called the complete angle. And a zero angle is also like this only, a straight line with a dot. So this is a complete angle. Now
You all know when line segments meet, they form shapes. These are shapes, these are closed shapes, okay, and this is open shape, this is also shape, but this is open, and this is a closed shape. So first we will study about polygons. What are polygons? So here poly means many. Poly means what? Poly means many. And gun means side or angle. Side or angle. So we can say that what is a polygon? Many angles or many sides. So a figure having many sides or many angles is called a polygon. Yes or no? Now the smallest polygon is a triangle. Which is the smallest polygon? Triangle is the smallest polygon. It has 3 sides and 3 angles. So if I'll say what will be the definition of polygon? Polygon is a closed shape having 3 or more than 3 sides or angles. Okay, now it is made with 3 or more line segments. Each line segment and connects to only one line segment. Now here in this diagram you can see, wait, now in this diagram you can see that this is what? This is a polygon? No, it is not a polygon. Why? You will say that ma'am, it is having 4 sides, okay, and angles are there. But what the second line says that each line segment is connected to only one other line segment. But in this one, at this point 3 lines are there, and in this one also 3 line segments are meeting, but it should be only 2 line segment, means only two line segments should meet at a point, but in this one 3 are meeting at a single point, so this is not a polygon, whereas this one is a polygon and this one is also a polygon. Understood? So what is a polygon? A three-sided closed figure having three or more than three sides is called a polygon, and smallest polygon is triangle. Now we will see more polygons here. So these are more polygons. First one is what? First one is triangle having three sides. Quadrilateral, four sides. In quadrilateral, one is square and other one is what? What? Rectangle is there, rhombus is there. Okay. Now in pentagon, five sides are there. Pen, you can say pen. Pen means five. Pentagon. Pentagon, a figure having five sides. Hexagon, six-sided figure. You can see S-I-X. X is there, and in hex, X is there. So 6 and hex. So six-sided figure, hexagon. And in pentagon you can remember it like this also, pen. Pen, when you start writing with pen, in which class you start writing with pen? In fifth class. Yes or no? So pen, when you start writing with pen, fifth class. So 5. Pen 5. So a five-sided figure is called a pentagon. Is it easy? Yes. Now heptagon, we will see hepta. Hepta means what? 7. Hepta, septa. So seven-sided figure is called a heptagon. Hepta, septa. You will learn it like this. Hepta, septa. Octa. Okay, octagon has 8 sides. How many sides? 8 sides. Octa. Octopus you all must have heard. Octopus. So how many legs are there with octopus? 8 legs. So similarly, octagon has how many sides? 8 sides. Yes, very good. Now, nonagon. Nona means 9, and this is 9-sided figure is nonagon, and decagon is a 10-sided figure. Understood? So let's
revise the shapes once. Now this is a three-sided figure, 1, 2 and 3, and with three angles, 1, 2 and 3. So this is a triangle. Now a four-sided figure, 1, 2, 3 and fourth side, 4 angles. So this is a square and it's example of a quadrilateral. So a four-sided figure is called a quadrilateral. This is a pentagon. How many sides does a pentagon have? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 sides and 5 angles. So a pentagon have 5 sides and 5 angles. So this is a polygon with 5 side and 5 angle, and it is a pentagon. This is a hexagon. It has how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 sides. And how many angles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 angles. So it is having 6 sides and 6 angles, and it is a hexagon. So in this, it is having how many sides? Just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 sides and how many angles? 7 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 sides and 7 angles. So a polygon with 7 sides and 7 angles is a heptagon. Now this is a octagon. It has 8 sides. How many sides? 8. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It has 8 sides and just count the angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 8 sides and 8 angle. So a polygon with 8 sides and 8 angle is called a octagon. Now in this one, just count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 sides are there. Now let's count the angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 9 sides and 9 angles. So a polygon with 9 sides and 9 angles is called a nonagon. What it is called? Nonagon. Now count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this is a decagon. This is a decagon, and let's count the angles also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So how many angles are there? 10 angles are there. And how many sides are there? 10 sides are there. So a closed figure with 10 sides and 10 angles is called a decagon. Yes. So now what you have to do, you have to revise all the shapes, polygons, all the polygons you have to revise and write them in your rough notebook, and you have to revise the types of angle also. And in the next video we will study how to construct angles and how to measure the angle using the protractor. Till then, take care. Sai Ram.